On the morning of September 26, Lecturer Yuan Feng from Weixin Shengjiao Xihu classroom conducted a groundbreaking ceremony for Mr. He's Jiahe Fresh Fruit Trading Company in Hemei, Zhanghua. He also guided the installation of the altar and the preparation of necessary items for the ceremony. A few days before the event, he asked Mr. He to post notice around the site to warn insects to stay away. The ritual commenced with Weixin Shengjiao's virtuous cultivators reciting scriptures and seeking blessings. Mr. He and other company directors lit incense to invite Zhuangchan Laozu, all heavenly sages, deities, Buddhas, and Bodhisattvas, city god, and deity of fortune and virtue, and pray for their presence to ensure a smooth and safe construction and bring prosperity to the community. At an auspicious moment, guided by Lecturer Yuan Feng, Mr. He used a shovel to break the ground at the site's four corners, accompanied by firecrackers and applause, symbolizing a successful start to the construction. Subsequently, Lecturer Yuan Feng used a feng shui compass to determine the optimal orientation for the front door of the new building. He wishes Mr. He's company safety, smooth progress, and financial prosperity. Weixin reports, Zhang Shanqi, Xihu Classroom.